Hey, we're live. I think. I hope. Hey, we are. We are. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, let me make sure the quality is good, and let me make sure that the audio is good, and let me make sure that everything's good, and yeah. Okay. Content live. We are live. I really just want to make sure that the quality is good. I just want to make sure that the cool. Let me test this. Blah 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 blah. Hey Isaac, you sucks. JK. Haha. Ha. Okay. It's not the greatest, but it's not terrible, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. If it looks terrible, let me know. Anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into it, honestly. We're going to be done with the stream at 9, and hopefully this game at 9. So I have this blank screen right here, and I'm going to make this game with it. I have this file, which has a bunch of my coding stuff in it, like my main JS, and JS is JavaScript. I'm doing everything in JavaScript because I'm a nerd. Some stuff right here, images. We're making a train game. This is the train I made. I'm sorry it's ugly, I'm not an artist, and these are my train tracks I made. Again, sorry, I'm not an artist. Anyway, so we're just going to jump right into this by making this center first of all. And then we're also going to add a table. Yeah, we're doing this the old-fashioned way. We're going to just do this grid. Now we're going to go to JavaScript, and we're going to let grid. We're going to set it up equal the grid. Cool. And now we're going to let rows equal 5, let cols equal 5. And then we're just going to set up a simple for loop that will test all of the different stuff that we have. So let's just quickly get that set up. I've made hundreds of these. Cool. So then we're going to let row equal grid dot insert row. So what I'm doing right now is just I am setting up the actual train track area. That'll make more sense in a second. But actually I could just show you right now. Okay, so if I did it right, we should have, yeah, see? Cool. So we have this 5x5 grid. This is like how Smell started. I was kidding. Now I want to actually replace all of these with an image. So first I'm just going to make a little let images equal this. And I'm just going to pull in the name of all of them. I have all of our images right here, so I just need to pull in all the names of the tracks. So we have train Y. We have train X, we have train upright, we have train right up, we have train left down, and we have train down right, Okay, so now we're just going to say, let image equal cell.create image. Now image.src is equal to image slash and then plus images.rmd. So it's going to pick a random one of those, and then we're going to just do PNG. Now let's see if this worked, or we'll see what happens. Okay, cool. It worked. It's just the wrong size. So now same thing with this. I just need to do the exact same thing. So image.height is equal to 100, image.width is equal to 100. Oh my gosh. Okay, see? Now we got it. Now we want to get rid of this space between them so the trains actually connect. So let's do that right now by doing, in our CSS, we will apply this to our table, which is called grid. So hashtag grid margin 0 pix, or we could even do none, which I don't know if that will fix it. Okay, and dang it, let's look this up. It's been so long. Java CSS how to get rid of space between cells and table. Okay, let's just copy and paste somebody's answer. Border collapse, cell spacing 0. I think if we take border collapse, nope, collapse, and we just set it to collapse. Okay, and we also need to do, we already did margin 0, we did none. Let's just try 0 and see if that does anything. Nope. I gotta stop. Okay, I've got a different game. I could just look at that and see what I did. It's like something that I should honestly have memorized, but I never care to like memorize it because it takes way too much time. Game. Oh, apparently, really? Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't work. That won't work. That might. Nope, that won't work. That won't work. That won't work. Okay, so Eggman the second. Hi, I'm here now. Oh my gosh, we're going to create a train game with these train tracks that are random. I just need to figure out how to clear the space again. Let's also add a green. That one's not hard to do. We're going to just do right here. Background color green. That way it looks like grass or something. I don't really like that green, but whatever. And then in the body, we're going to take, Eggman the second says, for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why anyone would watch my stream. Just kidding. We're going to do this. Okay, now we're going to add a border to this to just make it look nice. Are you having a great day? And we're going to do this. Boom. That's not noticeable. Boom. That's noticeable. But I actually don't want to do it because apparently this doesn't matter. Anyways, so we have our actual train track. Let's clear the space between it. CSS, how to get rid of blah, 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 room space between table borders. Blah blah blah. See, that's wrong though. That's wrong. That doesn't happen in the real world. See? You can't lie to me. You can't lie to me. How do I do this? Let's throw this in here. Maybe this will fix it. Don't lie to me. Why are you lying to me? Border spacing. Please work. Display block. Okay, that's what I need to do. Display block. Okay, that should solve my problem. No, it actually made it worse. So boot. Okay, so we'll add all of these to this. I'm just getting desperate. I will do anything you say, internet. Why aren't you doing anything? Maybe I should do that here. Yeah, that looks better. border. I don't know. Ah. I need somebody to give this to me. Yes, 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 yes. No, no, no. Someone else is watching now. Yeah, I see. Yeah. If you have a table class of the border space and 2 breaks, you override the table class. If you see system set borders the important table, I did like it saves my day. I will try your ways, man. Nope. Okay. I will fix this with not that one. Not any of those. Not this. Maybe this. Yes. Is this my border? Did I really do it like that? So I just went in position absolute. How did it? How? I don't want to spend too long. Yeah, it clearly worked for this project. So I guess I just need to figure out what I gotta do. Okay, let's open this up too. Maybe I did it in here. Ah, un, that's what I called it. Okay. No. I want to actually get to the actual coding of this game and not be stuck on this. So if this doesn't work, then I guess that sucks for me. Okay. So they are touching. I'm an idiot. Cool. If I do 105. Cause yeah, you see them touching right there? And now if I get rid of this, are they still touching? They are, but not up and down. Okay, so let's change the height to be bigger? Question mark? Our images, no. They're touching left and right, and I guess that's all that really matters. We're just going to have to roll with that. I'll figure it out later. Anyways, okay, now we're actually going to make it where they do not have any source. We're going to have it where it has no source. No source. But we will have cell dot number, which is equal to 0, which means it has none. So we'll actually change it to -1, and then cell dot on click. Cell dot image is equal to cell dot create image. Hopefully this doesn't screw us up. Cell dot on click is equal to this function. Cell dot num plus f cell dot image dot src. Okay, now we'll go here. Cell dot image dot width is equal to 100. Cell dot image dot height is equal to 100. Cell dot src is equal to f cell.num is not equal to -1, then cell.src is equal to image / plus images of cell, which is actually this dot num. I gotta remember that, because when we press it, it becomes like this instead of a cell. This dot num plus dot png. Okay, okie dokie, artichoke. That's not a P. If num is greater than images dot length -1, then I meant this dot num. Then this dot num is equal to -1. Okay, what's the problem? Cell.onClick is not a function. 17. Yeah, it is. Cell.onClick. What is cell? Console.log cell. It is a what? Yeah, it is. It is a function. Is it because of that? Yeah, on click. Okay. That's my problem. I'm an idiot. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Do I still have you being a border? No. Okay, so now we're able to go through all of these. Okay, now we will take all this cell.image.hide. Okay. Why is it not centered anymore? Whatever. So now we have it where we have this train track. Oh hey, it even connects up and down. Hey, see? All my problems are solved. See? It's ugly, but I have a train track now. Okay, now for the actual train. So now we can make train tracks. That's pretty cool. Okay, I want to go and get rid of you guys because I don't need you anymore. Here. User select none. Cursor pointer. Okay. I don't want that to happen, but whatever. Because you see what happens when I click real fast? Okay. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to create let train equal this object. We're going to have its x right now be 3. The y is 3. That's what it means. The src is equal to, I think it's just train, and the direction is going to be up. Okay, now we will set an interval in this function every 1000 divided by 60, so every 60 frames per second. Yeah. Okay, so now we gotta do a couple things. We gotta create our train. We could get rid of these if we're going to be doing it like this. That's cool. Image. ID equals train. We could get rid of that because we could just put it right here. DSRC is equal to image slash train dot png. Now the width is equal to 100 and the height is equal to 100. So now if we just go into this, it won't look very much different because, I mean, it doesn't look good. But that's okay because now, and we'll do HTML is going to be get train. Okay, so we have that set up. So train.ht.width is equal to train.width. Train.ht.height is equal to train.height. We're going to go into here and we're going to set up our train. Its position, obviously absolute. 34. Cool. Okay, now we want the train to be over that. Cool. So now, cool. We are going to go and give every single cell an ID. Cell.id is equal to I plus j plus j. Okay, that's a good idea. Now what we will do over here, train.ht.onClick is equal to this function. We will get I plus train.y plus j plus train.x dot. Oh, and we just need to copy this. So dot num plus plus, and basically all of this, but we have to spell it differently. Ella equal that. So Ella.num plus plus, and then anywhere it says this, we just need to replace with Ella. It's like this, 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 and this. Alright? Okay, good. That works. The reason you see it changing over here instead of on the train is because the train's not in the right position. So now we will take the train. Which this is going to be kind of hard to do, so that's kind of cool. Train. Oh boy, how do I move the train to go on top of the actual truck now? That is a real question that I have not actually thought about yet. I could create the train inside of it. That might be our best bet, actually. If we wanted to, I don't want to though. I was kind of expecting that I'd honestly just figure it out when the time came, but now that the time's here, I honestly can't figure it out. Okay, so this is 0, 0, and it's on a perfect match. Yeah, okay. So, if we'd say train dot, let's figure this out. JavaScript, how to change position of HTML image. Style.top and style.left. Okay. Train.style.left is equal to train.x times 100 plus pixel. What? maybe it doesn't see this? Did I spell that wrong? Can I separate train of left of undefined? Oh, .ht. Okay. Okay. Now we will do the same thing but with the Y and the top. Boom. So now it's in the right place, but it's opposite. So that's easy. We just refresh this. So this is actually going to be zero rows dot length. No. Let's start with here. J. What happens if we do J? Okay. And then this one's I. Oh hey, it actually worked. Okay, so it's a little bit weird. So if we take this and we move it over about 50 pixels, so then we go plus 50, plus 50. Okay, obviously that was not our answer. Maybe it was just 10, honestly. Oh hey, we got it. Hey. Okay, so now that's lined up, and now we can move the train around. That's pretty sick. Okay, so now we need a couple keys. Okay, let's create a map. Let to push equal that. And now to push dot push cell, and the map dot push to push. Okay, so that should be that. So now we just have to go through and make all of the functionality. We'll have this be say moving, which will be false right now. But document.body.onKey down. So when they press the space key, if e.key is equal to the space key, then it will toggle it. So train.moving is equal to train.moving, then false. Oh, it's true. Okay, so that should be a good toggle going up and down. So now over here, if train.moving. So now we're going to test this. Let's just test this by saying console.log moving, not moving. Okay, that's working. That's pretty grand. We're at 149 subscribers, and that's pretty exciting, guys. If we just get one more, do you know how exciting that'd be? I'm just saying. If this is now where we get to see. So we need to test the direction of the train. So if train.direction is equal to up, which it is right now, then if map of the train.x, no, we start with the y, so y minus 1 because it's backwards, and train.x dot num is equal to k. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 0, okay, yeah. So if it's equal to 0, then train dot y minus minus. Oh, I don't know. Hey, that worked. Okay, I'm going to slow this down. Even slower. Okay, it's not gliding, but that's okay. Okay, it'll take half a second. Cool. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that too much because that one works. Okay, now though, we got to do some other stuff. Like, for example, if that one is equal to 0, 1, 2, so if it's equal to 2, train dot y minus minus, but then train dot direction dot dir is equal to right. We'll worry about the rotation of the train in a second. But in the meantime, we're just going to focus on this. Now we're looking at down, right, right, left, down. I think I wrote that wrong, whatever. Left down, yes, left down, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is 4, then the direction is equal to left. Okay, so that is how one of them will look. So now we just need to copy this, and copy this, and copy this. And now we just gotta do a fold now, because we have right, left, and down. So if it's going weak, focus on, yeah, right. So if it's going right, then instead of this and that, we will change the x plus 1, and we will be working on the x's going higher, like this. Wow. Eggman6 says, I'm going to be right back, I need to wash my eggs. That is okay, everyone needs to wash their eggs sometimes, so that's okay. Don't even sweat it. Okay, now I gotta figure this out. So right, if it's going right, we have left down. Left down is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will deal with this one on the last one. Left down, so now the new direction is going to be down. Now we have right up. Right up is 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll deal with this one on this one. If it's 3, then it becomes going up. And now x, which is 1, okay, which is just right. Okay, so if you notice that's very similar, this is just one number added. So I think going left is not 2. Now we change all these to x instead of that. We still can get rid of that. We change this to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, get rid of that, get rid of that. Now time to test it again. Oh boy. I know that one's right. And then this one is, we get upright, 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 which is 0, 1, 2. Upright, so this one becomes down. Oh, this must be like that too. And then 4, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left down. No. We have upright, and we also have downright. Downright, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was similar, but not quite the same. So then we have, this one's actually left. And this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down right. Down right. So this one's up. And this one's down. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. I'm hoping I'm doing this right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down right. I think this is supposed to be right. Oh, this is so confusing. I hope I didn't screw that up. Let's double check that. So this is going, oh, I screwed that up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down right. Wait, why is that even being, what? 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 Ah! This is what, I've confused my brain cells. Okay, so I know these ones are right. That one's 0, and this one's 0. All of these will become positive. And all of these ones will become positive. So I know those are good. Go in here, we have 1, which is good. Now 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, right up. So this train is going right. We have right up. Yes, and this one goes up. That's right. And now the next one is left down, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Silly John. This one's a 4. Left down. Okay. So that's left, right, up, down up, because now we have 4 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, down. That doesn't seem right. Down, right, which is number 5. You go up and right up. Right up, no. Down, right, and then upright. Upright, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, those 3 are done. Now it's just this one, which will be going down. So we have down right, which is number 5, which will hit 5. And then we have down right, and then down, right up, 0, 1, 2, 3, which will go left. Okay, if I did this right, we will have a train that goes in a circle. I gotta get a better way to do this. Bing, ding, 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 not moving, not moving, not moving, not moving. Okay. Okay, that one worked. But that one didn't? Okay, so as soon as it gets going up, it hits that track, which is left down, which we have called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right here. Which the direction becomes left. Now left faces a 1, but it doesn't, because we called it that. Alrighty. So real quick. Okay, that's what I thought. Oh shoot, I gotta get a better way of doing this. Okay, I got stuck going left. So going left, it hit this piece, which is upright, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upright, 0, 1, 2. Upright. I think these need to be switched. Let's connect these. Okay, it's not moving how I want it to though. Oh. And then train dot moved is equal to false. Okay, I did so much wrong in this sentence. Okay, so now we're going to do train dot moved is equal to false. So now if the direction is equal to up and train dot moved is equal to false. So now I did not mean to do that. Now I need to do this to every single one of these. Now to every single one of these, train.moved is equal to true. And now we have it. Okay, so now even with this, we should get more of a... It jumped up there very fast. I do not appreciate that. I do not appreciate that. Whatever. Let's just see what this looks like now. I gotta figure out a better, a more efficient way to do this. Because if I'm right... Okay, going down it doesn't sense that. So going down, it does not sense that piece, which is a down right, and in our code, down right is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which this does not have. Instead, this has a 4, which is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a left down. Left going down is not needed. So this should be number 5. Okay. We got that problem fixed, but we still have some other problems. So now it's jumping to corners instead of going to all of the different pieces. So it's doing those really fast. Okay, we just gotta change all of these to else's. And that should take care of that problem. And then all we need to do is one more thing, and then we actually finish it. Okay, so if I'm right, which I'm always right, this is not a problem anymore. Now it's going bing 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 bing. Perfect. Now CSS image rotation. If train dot direction is equal to left, okay, then train dot ht dot style dot transform is equal to rotate I don't know exactly how we're going to have to do this, so let's just figure this out. 90, let's just say it is left right now. It's going left. Okay, so 0, 90, 180, 270. Is that how math works? Okay, perfect. Just say is equal to right. We already know that one. 90. Now we can copy this, paste it. If star is equal to up, we just rotate to 0 degrees. And if it's down, then we rotate it 180 degrees. Okay. Now we will actually have it starting up. And just like that, I think we have got it. Okay, something's wrong. Something is terribly wrong. It's as soon as it switches right there. It's these switches. The direction is equal to right. Well, how does that make any sense? The way of break. I gotta observe it better. It rotates it before it prints it. So maybe we should. What am I grabbing? Do that. Well, if we just go up, right? Okay, so now if I go up, rotate it. See, that works. Okay, I think I got it. If this works, then I'm going to actually work on the palette next, and then I will work on the train, because I'm sick and tired of doing this. Okay. Hey! 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 Got it working! Radio! Wow! That took so long! But now we have a train that moves! Guys, we have a train that moves! That's pretty exciting! Don't you think? I already know how we can do the bed, so should I work on the bed? No, don't. Okay. And then space does that. So now we're going to actually work on the palette. Oh my gosh. We're going to make another table. But this one's going to be called palette. Now we're going to go up here. Let palette equal. We're going to grab the palette. And then we're going to do another for loop. For let I equals 0, and I want I is less than images dot length I plus plus. Palette dot insert row at 0, which we will actually take out here. Let p row for palette row equal that. Now p row dot insert cell at 0. This is going to let cell equal that. Cell dot width is equal to 100 again. Cell dot height is equal to 100. Cell dot image is equal to cell dot create an image. Cell dot image, the src is equal to images slash plus images of I plus dot png. Cell dot, I could just copy this. Okay, cell dot on click is equal to this function right here. Now we're going to do let current cell, I'm just going to call it selected, equal -1, because, well, no, it's 0. Selected is equal to this dot num, which cell dot num is equal to I. Sweet. Boom. Okay, cool. So far it does nothing, but that's okay. That is okay, because now instead of this being clicked, we're going to like change the number and everything. This dot num is equal to selected. Now we don't need to worry about that. We could keep that, and we could keep that. Selected. Okay, watch. Oh, okay. So, yes. And if I press that, nothing. Okay. Console.log a. console.log this.num is equal to 0 instead of I. Okay. So now if I do that, alrighty-o. Okay. I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just going to say E. E is going to stand for erase. So now, if e.key is equal to E, then selected is equal to -1. So we can place stuff, press E, and then we get rid of stuff, and we can press one of these, press E, and then we could get rid of stuff. Cool, see? I just made it more dynamic. Alright. Okay. Now we need to change the train on click right here. This needs to look like this again. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Why is it up? Why is it like that? It wasn't broken just a second ago. Oi, mate. What's the big idea? Why are you up there instead down there, huh? What do you think you're special about? What the heck? I just broke it. I'm trying to just add this together. I have 10 minutes left to fix it. Can he do it? Maybe. I don't know what I broke. So that's cool. No, not really. It's like it's printing it in the wrong place. Oh, it is because I'm an idiot. Simple way to fix this is to actually have the palette be under the table. And we will do this with hashtag palette position will equal absolute, boom, and then top 1000 pixels. I'm just going to have to play around with this. 600, 550, 500, 520. Looks good enough to me. Boom, boom, boom. It works again. Hey, anyone who said it doesn't, liar. Cursor is a pointer. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now if I just have a box that selects it and unselects it, I don't know if I want to do that right now because I've actually made a lot of progress. Let's just create this cool little train set, right? Nope. As long if this works, then I might just call this stream good. Dun, 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 dun. It clearly doesn't work. Going left, you face a downright. And in JavaScript, we call that a blah 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 blah. When you 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are going left and you face a 5. Oh no, you want to face a 4. Why do you want to face a 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left down. You do not want to face a left down because a left down is not what you want to face. Instead, you want to face a 5. That's right. Okay, now I have to redo this entire track. How do we want to do this track? I think that we should actually make it go like this. We just take up every single space on this entire thing. I'm just kidding. Oh, this one. Okay, are we ready to test it? Let's see if this works. Question, have you gone crazy since I left, or am I just crazy? No, I'm crazy, so it's okay. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Okay, it obviously looks garbage because the animation is like terrible. But well, I think this is progress. We actually have it working. That's pretty nifty. That's pretty nifty. Hey. So my plan for this is, and the cool thing is we could freeze it and then like change it. So now we want to go like that. Boom. See? Boom. What? Obviously there's some stuff like on the diagonal. I want it to be more diagonal. It's working. It's working. I know it is working. Excited. And then I could erase, so then I could clear this stuff. See? Oh, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh, in 1 hour I was able to accomplish this. So in another hour I'd actually be able to add a bunch of the functionality I want. And a lot more like making it easier, make where you can save maps and paste maps and stuff like that. But this is really cool. I have been wanting to make this train game thing for a fat minute. So this is actually exciting that I have it like done in 1 hour kind of. But I got it working. I just love watching it. My favorite part is that I made it where you can freeze it. Like that was, I wasn't expecting that. See, and then like if I want, I can make it go like so short. Oh my gosh, come on. Okay, now we're going to change that. And that. We're going to change that. That. Okay, good. Now we're going to change that to that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, obviously the animation on it looks garbage, but it's a proof of concept that works. So hey, that's really cool. My name is Joe the Hobo. If you're watching, that's pretty cool, but I'm going to be peacing out. If you have any last words, say it, like Eggman the Second. Got anything you want to say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, should have hit your ears by now. So if you have nothing to say, then ciao ciao.